Good afternoon, Parkland. Today is Wednesday, October 26th. It is a day 2 and an A schedule. I'm Yoisa Morales.
And I'm Aurora Gery. Welcome back to Parkland TV. Thursday, October 27th will be Picture Retake Day in the auditorium lobby from 3 to 5 p.m. Attention seniors, the cap and gown order form has been sent out on Schoology. Make sure to order yours for $29 before January 31st, 2023, as the price will increase. Graduation packages are also linked in the update on Schoology for senior apparel and jewelry options.
On Tuesday, November 1st, there will be a mandatory Science National Honor Society meeting in room C200 after school. Please RSVP on the form in the SNHS Schoology group. The PHS Chess Club will meet on Tuesday, November 1st and Tuesday, November 8th in room E102 from 3 to 4:20 p.m. During the meeting, there will be a round-robin tournament to determine the team lineup for the first EPC chess match on Tuesday, November 15th.
The Hindu American Student Association will be having its first meeting on Thursday, October 27th, after school in room C143. Join them for officer introductions, activities, and free food. Both new and returning members should attend. The next Parkland Productions meeting will be tomorrow, October 27th, in room B118 after school until 4:15. Make sure to bring your $5 dues.
Reminder to all ski and snowboard club members, October 31st is the last day you can purchase passes from Blue Mountain. Please complete all online club paperwork and make all purchases by midnight on Halloween. Are you interested in joining the cooking club? If so, attend the new member meeting today in room A131 at 3:05 p.m. Please bring your $10 dues for the year. If you have any questions, please reach out to Mrs. Romani via Schoology message.
On Thursday, October 27th, there will be a sign-up meeting after school in the wrestling room. This meeting will provide all wrestlers with information and paperwork needed to sign up for wrestling. If you intend to wrestle this year, please plan to be there and pick up the paperwork. If you participate in a fall sport, stop by room C239 during the day to pick up the paperwork.
The Veg Club will be holding a meeting on Thursday, November 3rd after school in room A130. They'll be discussing club matters, cooking, eating, and having fun.
In sports news, boys and girls cross country will compete for their District 11 title today at 3:45 at Desales University, and boys soccer will play in their first round of District 11 playoffs, home versus Easton at 7. Good luck, teams.
Make sure to follow our YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter at Parkland TV Film, and check out our website, parklandtvfilm.org, for updates, broadcasts, and exclusive content. I'm Yoisa Morales.
And I'm Aurora Gery. Have a great day, Parkland.